Let me introduce myself. My name is Aisyah Sukmaindah Tristianti. I'm student from majoring mathematics in Maulana Malik Ibrahim State Islamic University of Malang. In this video, I would like to show you about axiology and its function in the development of science. Before that, in this video, there are 4 contents. First is definition, second is ethics, third is aesthetic, and fourth is passion. First is definition. Definition of axiology. Axiology comes from Greek, which consists of 2 words, namely Axia or value and Logia or science. So, axiology is a branch of philosophy that studies values. Axiology studies mainly 2 kinds of values, ethical values and aesthetical values. Ethics investigate the concept of right and good in individual and social conduct. Aesthetics studies the concept of beauty and harmony. Second is ethics. Ethics come from the word ethos, which means trait or habits. In addition, ethics can also be interpreted as values or norms used by humans to regulate their behavior. Ethics is the study of values in human behavior or the study of moral problems. For the example, the rightness and wrongness of action, the kinds of things which are good or desirable, and whether actions are blameworthy or praiseworthy. Ethics have 2 types, normative ethics and descriptive ethics. Normative ethics is about the practical means of determining a moral course of action. Descriptive ethics is also known as comparative ethics. It is the study of people's beliefs about morality. Third is aesthetic. Aesthetic is a branch of philosophy dealing with nature of art, beauty and taste, with the creation and appreciation of beauty. It is more scientifically defined as the study of sensory or sensory emotional values, sometimes called judgment of sentiment and taste. More broadly, scholars in a while define aesthetics as critical reflection on art, culture, and nature. Aesthetics is the study of value in art, of the inquiry into feelings, judgment, or standards of beauty and related concepts. Philosophy of art is concerned with judgment of sense, taste, and emotion. For the example, is an art intellectual or representational activity? What would the realistic representation in pop art represent? Does art represent sensible object or ideal object? Fourth, as the last, is function. According to Theodor Brand, as a classical philosopher, axiology is divided into 3 parts. The first is morals, ethics or human action. The main role of this axiology is to give direction to humans to take a better action. The second is an expression of beauty. Here, axiology acts as a guide in humans to expression which give birth to a beauty in him. Third, namely social politics. At this level, axiology acts as a means of the human socialization process. So, why is the role of axiology or value in philosophy so important in human life? Because, broadly speaking, this axiology has taught the values that exist in life, which function as a controller of human scientific nature. Even though they cannot be equated, in reality, this value theory is almost the same as religion, namely both as guidelines in human life. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.